Hey everyone, short video today for a change. We are going to be unboxing this box behind me, if you can see it. I'm not sure if you can or not, which has arrived today from RallyTech in the UK, and it's for the Gtir. So this is the box. Any ideas what might be in it? Want to take a guess? What could it be? Not going to tell you. I'm just going to unbox it, which is the whole point of the video. Need a bit of a kind of uplifting video for a change, because of late everything on the Gtir has been centering around the coolant lines and the oil cooler and the oil cooler lines and the inlet manifolds off, and I'm miserable. So I kind of want something that's hopefully a bit more fun, even if installing this stuff might not be so much fun. We will see. Yeah, need a bit more straightforward stuff for a change. Anyway, enough nonsense from me. Let's have a look what we've got. And here you go. So it's a full carbon fibre door card set for the Gtir. And just like the Evo, I wanted it in 2x2 twill, which they don't normally do at RallyTech, in gloss. And I wanted all the weave going the same way, which is top left to bottom right, like the Evo, which they've done. And I also said, only make the cutouts for the lock release on the front doors. Don't make any cutouts for the door handles, which they've not done, or for the switches, because I want to run the same look on both door cards, which isn't standard for the Gtir. And I've bought myself, it's coming from New Zealand, a door handle for the driver's side that I can use on the passenger side for the passenger door handle, so that they match. So all great, fantastic, there we go. Sad ending to the video though, and that is that I've inspected all the door cards. I don't know if you noticed when I did the quick kind of reveal then, but they're all damaged. Unfortunately, this can happen when you buy stuff from overseas, especially when you buy fiberglass or carbon fibre. Stuff can get damaged in transit, and a bit unlucky that all four things have been damaged in transit. So I'm going to have a word with RallyTech, see what they can do about that. Maybe I can use these to kind of test fit and work out how to actually do the fitment properly, so it's not as difficult as it was with the Evo. But yeah, we will see. I'll show you quickly the damage, and then yeah, that'll be it for this bit disappointing video, I've got to say. So passenger door card first. We have, you can see it here, we have sort of damage in the weave here, which goes through to the back of the door card, which is a shame. Driver side door card looked pretty good, but then corner here is all bent out of shape and damaged, unfortunately. The rear passenger side door card, which is this one here, has, going through to the back, it's got some damage there, which is a shame. And the driver's side rear looks pretty good. There's a few little marks on it, I have to say, but this edge here is cracked also. Bugger. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it's not put too much of a downer on your day, as it has for me. You'll see a video coming, I'm sure, at some point, of me getting these fitted. Replacement ones fitted or fixed ones, we'll see where we get to. But yeah, that's it for now.